What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you a new way to promote your affiliate links on Facebook, so stay tuned. Okay guys, before I share with you the new method to promote your affiliate links on Facebook, I would like to quickly to explain why exactly Facebook doesn't like us to promote our links. So the reason is simple. Each time we promote our links on Facebook, we are taking people outside of the platform, right? And Facebook doesn't like that. So you know what's happening is if we keep if we keep spamming our links on our profile, Facebook profile or Facebook groups, we'll receive some notification like this one, right? And it will end up with our Facebook account, closed, and we don't want that. Okay guys, so basically the new method is, so what if you can promote your links using pictures? So when I say pictures, you guys will say, how come? So by pictures, actually I mean we can simply generate a QR code, right? You see, like here, I start using this, I generate this QR code, and then I kindly ask people to scan that QR code, right? So yeah, so this is actually a new way, and you can fly under the radar of Facebook without being worried, right? Because there is no links here. So if there is no links, so it's clear, and people can still scan the QR code here to get the links. So second point, so how to create those QR code? You have a lot of options, a lot of free options here. You can easily go to Canva if you have Canva, and you go to features, then app, then you select QR code, and from here you can easily choose whatever you want here. If it's Facebook, you click on Facebook, and then right here you have the option to put your affiliate links. And when you put your affiliate links, you just need to generate the code here, right? As soon as you write something, URL, you see, let's say URL is your affiliate links, and then all you need to do is to generate the code, right? Once you have the code, yeah, you can simply go to your Facebook, you do the post, and you put that QR code, which is a picture basically. So you can also go on Play Store or your App Store if you have iPhone, Play Store if you have an Android phone, and look for QR code generator on your phone, and yeah, you'll get the code. And then to be able to read the QR code, you need the QR code scanner or reader, right? So QR code scanner or reader will allow you basically to read the QR code, and people will get their links directly on the phone. So this is very awesome, and I wish I knew those methods before, right guys? I wish I know all of this before I start doing affiliate marketing on Facebook. I remember my very first Facebook account get closed, right? So because I didn't know, so I wish I really knew, right, about those stuff. And by the way, you can also watch my episode on Facebook, links that I have shared, so how to create a clickable image. You can watch it, you can look at the video in my YouTube channel and watch it. There is a lot of amazing things, and also the one on Facebook engagement. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Let me turn the camera back. Okay guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.